on July 22nd, 2024. Gave me one. And we used 3 different kinds of transport equipment. This noble little gift mark. The machine cover and the middle net are damaged to varying degrees. Even the car door has his unwillingness. The car is pure luxury beauty style. Big soft, and I also found that 20 years ago. No, 97 gasoline is only more than 3 yuan. Imported in 1993. Although these things have no value. But for this car, it was extraordinary. Because I'm here this winter. I'm going to try to start it for him. I'm going to get him crying in the back room. There's one hidden here. Environmental protection, you and me. Completely provable. And to my surprise, hidden a transformation I have never seen. This is a high-pressure package separator. But he still bit my glove. I think I have the ability. But he didn't forget to give me a dismount either. I just removed the original old battery. Check the power on situation of the lines of the whole car. It ain't missing no power inside. Give your visit in May. It feels like this battery is weak. I'll give him a gun and try again. But hanging wall paint still doesn't work. Therefore, while I install the battery, I bought the BYD Con in the melon seed used car. But it looks like a new car. It is very cost effective to sell melon seeds. Can try it for 3 days and sell used cars. In short, it is right to buy and sell melon seeds on used cars. Don't wish me luck yet. It's better than the sound of a little da-da just now. Based on my limited experience. Either starter rust wire. Now the engine can still turn. Please forgive my lack of maintenance experience. But I also found the problem. I have to figure out a way to get him back. Now, there is nothing wrong with the inside. This piece should be fixed by a screwman, right? What a fool! Here we go! Wash it and find a way to put it back on for him. I fold this. It turns out that this eye screws him. This way, you can fix that length. Then I'll spray paint the shell by the way. Just give him how to put it back. The land. He lives to kiss all the glist. And grapple keep us I get easy too. He is now functional. Just this kind of thing for me. Little Karami can go load the car. Kill the spot. As you can see, and the steel pressure is very sufficient to hear the sound. Is there any high voltage electricity popping out here? I spent money again. But this spark plug, he is short and small. I put the head of the spark plug. This allows for a more intuitive test of the ignition circuit. This piece has been called. The only thing left is the oil route. This thing is in the refueling port in the back row. Don't let that nobody knows. Oil is also added. I think the problem is probably the steam at the back. I don't know if you've heard of an idiom. If the gasoline pump gets stuck, there's a good chance it will work. Fuck. The electricity is also on now. Wish me luck. The engine is finally working properly. This guy's steering wheel is really light. So far. Golden label wood. Wait until next spring. Wait for me.